If you want to use a memory card on Realme Note 7CT, then we can actually insert the microSD card into the SIM tray because we actually have a dedicated SIM card, the memory card slot on the SIM tray. So take a look at the left side of the smartphone where we have our SIM tray, and then use the eject tool that you can find inside the box and push it into this hole over here in order to make the SIM tray pop out. There we go. Once it pops out, you can partially remove from the smartphone. You don't have to fully remove it from the smartphone because otherwise you might drop your SIM card or SIM cards if you have two SIM cards. And of course, we don't really need to do so. This is all we need. We just need this memory card slot and try to put it in. Of course, you might drop it in the process, so you have to be really careful not to drop it. But once you put it in, you just have to push it back into the phone with your finger, and there we go. And this is how we can use the memory card. You should be able now to find the storage of your memory card that you just inserted into the smartphone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.